Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use flipped chat with AI character application. So first of all, you need to install this app, then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see here you need to log in or you need to continue as guest. So just simply tap on the login button. Then you can create a account to OS, continue with Google and continue with phone. So I prefer with Google, you can try it. I already tap on my Google account, so now it's wait to get the interface. So it's called flipped. You will get here millions of chats. I'm just going to tap allow all the button. Meet virtual new friends. So just tap continue button. You have to give your red button. Just keep like this continue, and you have to give continue, and I just continue it. Style you can choose continue it. So it's really easy and simple. First of all, you need to create an account, and this is the pro mode, but you can still use in free mode in a basic version. If you want to get all the accesses and unlimited chat, then you have to transform to pro account. So you have to choose the character. For example, I'm just going to choose Taylor. So now you can chat. It's like other chatbot. So actually this way you can use this app. You can see here different option, picture and the character profile, their picture. It's unlock. Actually this